No. This is a home video by Diamond Allen.
Okay. So if you like me, you like me. If you hate me, you hate me.
Press like if you like.
I didn't have a chance to go to Paris. I didn't have a chance to go to LA. I didn't have a chance to go where I wanted. But all I know is I got to be who I wanted to be. I grew up tough and now I'm on my own. So you don't like me, so what? I got one friend and that's only it. Her name is Gitana and I love her like a sister. She's only the one I need, because I grew up tough in this world. Nobody can judge me for who I am. So if you like me, so what? I don't care. So please just like me for who I am. Just like me for who I am.
That was really, really good.